Today, we'll dive into the culinary wonders of an indigenous culture, sharing tips and easy recipes to help you bring the world into your kitchen. Indigenous cuisines are rich tapestries woven with history, culture, and environment. They offer a way to connect with the land and the traditions that have been passed down through generations. Each dish tells a story, not just of the people who created it, but also of the places where these ingredients are found and cultivated. By introducing your children to these vibrant and diverse flavors, you not only nurture their palates, but also their understanding of history and geography. This is a delicious journey of discovery that deepens family bonds and fosters a greater appreciation for cultural diversity. Today, we'll focus on the culinary traditions of the Navajo Nation. The Navajo people have a rich culinary heritage that is deeply intertwined with their cultural practices and connection to the land. Their recipes are characterized by ingredients that are readily available in the American Southwest, such as corn, beans, squash, and native herbs. Navajo cooking emphasizes simplicity, health, and sustainability. Let's introduce a simple and tasty recipe that's sure to become a favorite: Navajo fry bread. This is a delicious and easy dish to prepare with your kids. Fry bread is traditionally made with basic ingredients like flour, water, salt, and baking powder. You mix the ingredients to form a dough, flat roll it out, and then fry it till golden brown. It's a versatile dish that can be served sweet with honey or savory with beans and cheese. The simplicity of this recipe makes it an excellent way to involve your children in the cooking process, making it both educational and fun. As we make Navajo fry bread, let's talk a little about geography and its influence on this cuisine. The Navajo Nation spans across Arizona, Utah, and New Mexico, a region known for its arid climate and stunning landscapes. This diverse environment shaped the food culture of the Navajo, encouraging the use of hardy, durable ingredients. Understanding the geography helps children see why certain ingredients are favored over others and how indigenous people adapted to their surroundings in sustainable ways. Here are some fun facts to share with the kids as you cook. Did you know that the Navajo people traditionally hold a deep respect for nature and the elements, which is reflected in their culinary practices? Historically, they were known for their sheep herding and weaving skills, which also influenced their food and culture. Sharing these facts makes the cooking process that much more engaging and informative. Getting your kids involved in cooking can significantly enhance their learning experience. Encourage them to measure ingredients, mix the dough, and even try shaping the fry bread. These activities can help develop their motor skills while introducing them to basic math through measurements. While you cook, spark conversations about the Navajo culture. Ask your children what they think life might be like in the Navajo Nation, or how geography influences the food they enjoy. Finally, I urge you to explore further. There is a wide array of indigenous cultures and cuisines waiting to be discovered. Consider diving into the culinary traditions of the Maori from New Zealand, the Sami in Northern Europe, or the many indigenous tribes across Africa and South America. Each new dish is an opportunity for a family food adventure that deepens understanding and appreciation of different cultures. Thank you for joining us on Tasteful Travels with Dad. Today we've explored how bringing indigenous recipes into your kitchen can offer both a fun and educational experience for you and your kids. By exploring the culinary heritage of cultures like the Navajo, you're not only teaching cooking skills, but also imparting valuable lessons about history, geography, and respect for diverse traditions. I hope you find today's tips and stories as inspiring as they are delicious. Until next time, where we'll delve into yet another exciting culinary journey, keep creating those delicious memories. Happy cooking! If you like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Bonding Through Education.